In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the pricing options available for using Microsoft Excel and Word. As technology evolves, so do the offerings from companies like Microsoft, making it important to stay informed about the latest subscription and purchasing choices to fit your needs. Whether you're an individual user or looking for solutions for your household, understanding these options can help you make the best decision for your productivity tools. Firstly, let's delve into the Microsoft 365 subscription plans. These plans are a popular choice because they include not only Word and Excel, but also a suite of other Office applications. If you're considering going this route, the Microsoft 365 Personal Plan might catch your eye. This option is available for US $99.99 per year, or, if you prefer, you can opt for the monthly plan, which costs US $9.99. This plan is ideal for single users who want comprehensive access to Microsoft Suite. For those who need coverage for more than one person, the Microsoft 365 Family Plan is a great alternative. This plan costs US $129.99 annually, or US $12.99 per month, and it accommodates up to 6 users, making it suitable for families or small groups who wish to share the same subscription benefits. It's worth noting that as of 2025, Microsoft has adjusted the pricing for both the personal and family plans, reflecting the introduction of AI features like Copilot. These prices are now set at US $9.99 and US $12.99 per month, respectively, aligning with the enhanced functionalities that come with these updates. Now, if you're someone who prefers making a one-time purchase without the commitment of a recurring subscription, Microsoft offers what is known as the Office Home 2024 package. Priced at US $149.99, this option provides you with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote for use on a single PC or Mac. It's a straightforward choice for users who don't need regular updates and prefer a single purchase model. Additionally, Microsoft caters to those who might only need specific applications through standalone purchases. Such standalone versions for Excel and Word are available in the Microsoft Store. However, it's important to keep in mind that availability can be inconsistent, varying by region and possibly over time. So, if a standalone purchase is what you're considering, it's a good idea to check the Microsoft Store listings regularly for the most up-to-date information on these options. By understanding and weighing these options, you can make an informed decision on how best to access and utilize Microsoft Excel and Word to suit your specific needs. Keeping an eye on changes like upcoming pricing adjustments ensures you remain aligned with offerings that maximize your investment and enhance your productivity.